This is Philippine Schools Athletic Association Season 2. And the quarterfinals between Philippine Women University Patriots versus Philippine Christian University Dolphins. First quarter.
Good morning, PSAA Season 2 fans, at Philippine School Athletic Association. Our main event this morning, the home team PCU versus PWU. Parang kapitbahay lang, magkapitbahay ito. A battle for top kung ang tatawag natin dito sa laro na to. And starting the first quarter, a first 2 points for number 9. Enjay. And also his first rebound for this game. Austria setting the play. A nice defense by Philippine Women's University. Enjay. No good. Back the ball to PWU. Quadra. NJ at rebound again for NJ. Manipolo. There's a foul for PWU. Noah Balayong, his first personal foul. Manipolo on the line for 2 free throw. Missed the first one. Ginagabay pa ni Manipolo. Panilang ang kanyang shooting dito. Makes the second free throw. Siyempre, ang mananalo sa ating laro, take the spot of our Final Four. Austria. Manipolo. A nice set play there, but too much. Quadra. PWU setting the play. Si Jonas Mariano. Dumidiskarte. Oh, there's a turnover there by PWU. Back the ball to PCU Dolphins. Malyabo. To Enjay. Substitution. Representative of number 15, Janaobre. Enjay shooting 2 free throw. For first one miss. makes the second free throw. PWU with the pressure defense of PCU. Enjay. Pakabilis na depensa ni Enjay dito. Miss again by BWU. Napakalaking bagay ni Enjay sa loob using his defense. Manipolo. Setting the play, PCU Dolphins. Lieba. Turnover by PCU Dolphins. Nice defense, PCU Dolphins. Turnover once again, PW Manipolo. A nice veteran move there by Manipolo. And also the height advantage there. And makes his 2 points. Follow number 9 and Jai to free throw Lennon. Oh, a 3-point play there. PWU by Lennon. Lennon. Oh, a turnover once again by PWU. Dagdag na naman sa kanilang stat. Turnover. A miscommunication there with PCU. A nice play. A nice setting here. Enjoy. Ang ganda ng movement na pinapakita ng PCU dito. Seconds left under shot clock. Manipolo. Miss. Out of bounds. Same ball. Oh, akala ko idadakdak. Doon ng PCU Dolphins. But still, a highlights from their team. Bam! Lennon answers the play of PCU Dolphins by 3 points. 10-6. 4-point lead by PCU Dolphins. Leba. Manipolo. Back to Leba. Great defense. 2 versus 2. Andyan si Enja and there's a reaching foul, shooting 2 by number 3. Quadra. Timeout yan. Give to PCU Dolphins for a regrouping of their play or defense. And PSAA will be back shortly.
Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association, tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Teamwork ang susi, wala nang iba.
Back to the ball game. Free throw, Quadra. First free throw. Made, Quadra. Chance to make the lead, but missed the second free throw. 3-point lead. Enjay. Pass to Leba. Leba. A great defense there by PWU. Naobre. Oh, a turnover once again by Philippine Women's University.
Subdivision.
Unang pasok dito ng PCU Dolphin Pylon. Substitute to Leba. Our home team, PCU Dolphins, Austria. Setting the play to Manipolo. Austria. To Pylon. Ang ganda talaga ng movement dito ng PCU Dolphins. At may ma-open talaga na player dahil sa movement na ginagawa nila, no? Yun lang, at nagmi-miss sila sa kanilang offense, but still a great play. Hindi lang talaga nako-convert, and PWU sa foul, I think, on Manipolo, number 22 of PCU Dolphins. Antonio to free throw.
Second personal foul. Subdivision.
Makes the second free throw, Enjay. PWU. Naobre. Manipolo. Rebound, but andyan pa rin yung hustle play ni number 14 ng PWU. Manipolo, miss. A rebound, Antonio. Miss, PWU. Naobre with a floater, no good. Grabe hustle pinapakita ni WU there. Pueda, a nice defense by Garino. A miss. Pass break there, PCU Dolphins. Puedan. Antonio, floater. Too much. And nandyan si Naobre to put back the ball. And makes his 2 points. And add to their team, 12-10. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng PCU Dolphins. Pauline. Tinaan. Same play, Manipolo. Side step, but no. Miss. Once again, here at PWU gun. Body check by PCU at tinawagan na nga ni referee ang
Now number 18.
tulak doon ni Garino.
JD Garino.
First personal foul by Garino. Papalitan muna sina Aubrey at papasok si Balyad. A nice play and nice contributes there by na Aubrey. Grabe yung pinakita niya. Enjay. Ang gagawin Enjay? Siyempre, easy layup muna daw. Mamaya niya daw idadunk yun. Siyempre, dahil sa ganon, turnover pa rin ang nakikita dito ng PWU. Sayang yung mga offense play nila dito. 3 versus 1. Garino. What a nice move. Side step there by Garino. Seconds left. 35 seconds remaining of first quarter. Tingnan natin dito. Gagawin ni PWU. Same defense pa rin. At si Abioho nandyan na para sa PCU Dolphins. Correction, Abioha pala. At sa buong game, parang yung ko lang nakita pagbabalik ni Kenneth. I think at malaking factor pa rin siya dito sa PCU Dolphins. And still, turnover pa rin. And Garino beat the buzzer. End of the first quarter. Our score 20-10. Led by our home team, PCU Dolphins. PSAA Senior Division will be coming right.
Tama ang barkada laban para sa kinabukasan. Sa bawat tagumpay, bawat aral, tayo ang simula ng magandang bukas. Dito nagsisimula ang future natin. With every game a new world we're creating. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations. Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow.
As you can see, our team standing senior division after the first round of the season. Siyempre, quarterfinals to, number 1. Ang waiting team natin, si Gardner College and Jose Rizal University. Siyempre, naglalaban, ito, Philippine, ang PCU and PWU. So, ayun, ang pinaglalabanan natin dito is to take the spot our Final Four. At ayun nga, ang unang nating na game, nanalo doon, si Diliman College. Let's see who will enter the Final Four slot here between PWU and PCU. Malalaman natin sa laron to o sino ang kukuha ng last spot sa ating Final Four. A great pass break there by PCU Dolphins. A great defense by Abioha. An early PWU. Pailon. Sitinaan. Garino, napakagandang ginagawa. Abioha. No good. Nice defense there. Turnover once again. Napakagandang ginagawa dito ng PCU Dolphins at hindi lang nako-convert. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa PCU Dolphins sa pag-ibigay dito sa ating napakagandang court ngayong araw na to. Kay Coach, sa team, at sa mga staff here na napaka-hospitable, napaka-babait. So, once again, maraming salamat po. And sa mga sponsors ng PSAA, Spalding, Gotos, Pinoy Extreme, City Hoops, Medal and Trophy, And sa araw na to, nakikita natin ang dalawang team, PW, PCU. Ito mo pa ha. Malayo. Huwag mo na isama yung shot na sa ito mo pa. In and out there by PW Espiritu. Garino. Garino. Jumper. Good. Ang ganda na pinapakita na laro dito ni Garino. Compose niya ang sarili. At mukhang pinaghahandaan niya talaga tong game na to. And siyempre, itong team, for sure. Pailon. Oh, short lang doon. A nice move sana. Petrillosa. Nice hustle there. Number 3. Jumper there. PWU.
And for no project.
Abioha. Hinaan. Setting. Solomon. Back to Tinaan. And one play for number 22, Jacob Orisa. A nice play there, a pass break there by Philippine Women's University. And let's see if he will complete the 3-point play. Bonus free throw kay Jacob. Bonus free throw. And that's it. He completes the 3-point play. 24-17, 7-point lead. Garino. A nice move. Kick out to Gonzalez. Oh, nice pick there. Gonzalez. Wow. What a move by Gonzalez. A first appearance of this player, Gonzalez, and first 2 points for him contributes to PCU Dolphins team. A nice defense there. What a defense by PCU Dolphins. Abioha. Garino. Kick out. Hustle play there and a tip by Tinaan. Back to the ball to PWU. Substitution.
John Owen.
Side defense. Okay lang. Oh, what a fadeaway play. Garino. At sabi ko nga, napakaganda talaga ng nilalaro dito ni Garino. Nice defense there by PCU Dolphins. Gonzalez. Hinaan. Kaya Trilosa. Naobre. Tinaan. Nice hustle. Grabe ang bilis ni Tinaan. At yun. He makes and he complete the fast break play. Adding 2 points for their team. 30-19. Timeout here by Philippine Women's University. PSAA Season 2 will be back shortly. Kanino kayo send ko? Send ko kay Koma kayo ano na. Sa akin pala ano na sa akin. Yung video. Kay Koma kayo. Ayun kanino. Oo. Hindi pa bukas to. Oo. Ang video kanina, CCTV. Wala. Back to the ball game. Let's see. Dalus, first appearance here. Gonzalez. Abioha. Same play. Oh, nice cut there by Solomon. But a miss. A nice defense here. PCU Dolphins. At ayun, tinawagan si Dagumpanan. Ang offensive foul. Holding foul kay Garino. First personal foul and first team foul. Kay PWU.
Foul number 21, Indigo Point. Second personal foul.
Dallas on the line. Makes his second free throw good. Philippine Women's University setting down the ball. Quadra. To Lennon. A boarding three by Lennon. Malyabo. Dalos, kick out to Garino. Miss. Rebound on DBWU. And one play for Solomon. A 3-point there. Once again by Lennon. Bababa sa 8 ang kalamangan ng PCU Dolphin. Under 1 minute on the second quarter. Malyabo. Dalos. Garino. 3 seconds. Armario. Rebound. Philippine Women's University. Quadra. Solomon rebound. Dalos setting the play. 16 seconds remaining. First quarter. Malyabo. PCU Dolphins. Moving the players without the ball is nice to see. But there's a steal by PWU. Seconds left. Oh, a miss by Naobre. And that's the first half of the second game. 35-27. 8-point lead by home team PCU Dolphins. PSAA 2 will be coming back shortly.
Philippine School Athletic Association. Tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Hindi lang medalya, hindi lang tropeo, ang tunay na panalo, ang pangarap ko't pangarap mo. Tara na, sabay-sabay tayo. Let's make a future na kay ganda. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations. Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association. Tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Building a brighter generation. Building a brighter generation. PSAA, yeah, we rise together. PSAA, dreaming higher, flying stronger. Sa bawat laban, bawat arangkada, tibay ng puso, di sumusuko. Sa court man o field, dala ang dangal, pangarap ay abot kamay, let's go. Dito nagsisimula ang future natin. With every game a new world we're creating. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations. Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association. Tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Teamwork ang susi, wala nang iba. Kasama ang barkada, laban para sa kinabukasan. Sa bawat tagumpay, bawat aral, tayo ang simula ng magandang bukas. Dito nagsisimula ang future natin. With every game a new world we're creating. Philippine School Athletic Association, building pag-asa ng nasyon. Hindi lang medalya, hindi lang tropeo ang tunay na panalo. Ang pangarap ko't pangarap mo. Tara na, sabay-sabay tayo. Let's make a future na kay ganda. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations. Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association, tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon, building a brighter generation. Building a brighter generation. PSAA, yeah, we rise together. PSAA, dreaming higher, flying stronger. Sa bawat laban, bawat arangkada, tibay ng puso, di sumusuko. Sa court man o field, dala ang dangal, pangarap ay abot kamay, let's go. Dito nagsisimula ang future natin. With every game a new world we're creating. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations.
Solomon.
And PSA once we go once again our second game this morning, PCU Dolphins, our home team against their neighborhood PWU 43-33, 10-point lead by PCU Dolphins. Now on the court, Garino, Tinaan, Solomon, Leva, and Manipolo for PCU Dolphins. Laurea, Mariano, Antonio, and for the PWU team on the court and pushing the offense to lessen the deficit. Two points for PWU there. 'Nice defense there by PWU. Back the ball to Philippine Women's University. Enjoy at traveling violation. I think he pivot hit move. And PWU. Nice defense for Tinahan. Ganda ng defense na pinakita ng Tinahan. And a side step by Huedan. Huedan. Tinahan. Setting the play. Sayang doon ang pinakita ng PWU. Nice defense. And sayang tumapak lang. Sa linya ng ating PW team make their turnover. PCU Dolphin. 14 seconds. There's a foul. Call to number 14 gun. First personal foul for gun. And warning for penalty. PCU Dolphin. Garino. Garino. Setting the play. Enjoy humingi ng bola. Garino. Wow! Sayang, too much. And 2 versus 1. Leba versus the 2 PWU. Enjoy. Up. I think there's a call for the referee. A blocking foul on Enjoy. I think the cylinder of Enjoy, pumasok siya dun sa cylinder ni number 16. So that's why he called the foul. And syempre, pag depensa, yung una yung kanyang chan, which is given the disadvantage to the open player. So, foul ang tinawag doon kay Enjay. Buwaba, nasa 5 ang kalamangan ng PCU Dolphin. Pakalakas. Napasa ni Enjay. Makes the turnover for PCU Dolphin. Under 1 minute. Mahaba pa itong laro na to. 43-38. Gun setting the play to Laurea. Check the defense. PCU Dolphin. Laurea. A nice defense and makes unsportsmanlike foul. Advantage call to Laurea. Nawakan doon at pinigilan si Garino. So, ayun ang tinawag na sa kanya. Sportsmanlike foul, which is yung advantage na dapat meron si Garino ay pinigilan illegally ng PWU. So, that's why unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag at tinatol doon ng ating official. Back the ball. PCU Dolphin. Enjay. Side step and nice layup for Enjay. Gun. There's a foul there. Penalty situation na ang PWU and gives the 2 free throw to number 9, Enjay. There's a foul. So, free throw pa rin yan ibinigay para sa PWU. And even if there's a buzzer beater there, still. And let's wait the final score of our third quarter and last free throw. Two free throw miss and the final score 49-38. 11-point lead of PCU Dolphins. PSAA will be back short.
Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association, tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon. Teamwork ang susi, wala nang iba. Kasama ang barkada, laban para sa kinabukasan. Sa bawat tagumpay, bawat aral, tayo ang simula ng magandang bukas. Dito nagsisimula ang future natin. With every game, a new world we're creating. Philippine School Athletic Association, building dreams, breaking limitations. Sa bawat score, bawat sweat at sakripisyo, we like the way we make it glow. Philippine School Athletic Association, tayo ang pag-asa ng nasyon.
And back to the ball game, our fourth quarter of this game. PCU Dolphin versus PWU Philippine Women's University. Let's see how these two teams fight for the last spot of PSA Senior Division. And ito nga, nasa side pa rin ng kalamangan ng PCU Dolphin. Let's see how PWU back to this ball game. And kung ano ba ang gagawin nila para ma-less at mabawasan ang hinahabol nilang score ng PCU Dolphin. At ito nga, nakikita natin kung doble trabaho na ang ginagawa ng PWU dito. Defense, tapos offense. Siyempre, napakalaki nito. Even napakahaba pa ng oras. But kung mine-maintain ni PCU Dolphin ang composure nila, magme-maintain pa rin yung kalamangan at kailangan talaga ni PWU na mag-dobleng trabaho dito. Hinaan. No good. Back the ball to PWU. Sayang lang yung mga possession ng PWU at hindi nako-convert. Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko na isa pa nagiging cost is yung turnover pa nila. Yung mga pasa na malalakas. Kaya sayang talaga yung possession. Kick out. Side step. Rebound by Enjay. Dinaan. Nice fake. Oh, there's a pushing foul. Enjay. Malaki ba naman ni Enjay? Sigurado itutulak mo talaga siya inside the court. Pero yun nga, tinawagan ng PWU ng foul, ng pushing foul because hindi Hindi na nakapag-rebound ng maayos si Enjay, no? Kaya siguro tinawagan ng ating mga officials. At 3 for Garino. Ganda talaga ng ginagawa ni Garino dito sa larong to. Until this quarter. From first quarter for the start of the game until now. Enjay, Garino, Enjay. Grabe naman, napakahabang tao talaga. Side step pa lang from 3 points to free throw to layup. Quadra, starting the play. Philippine Women's University. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Quadra doon to Antonio. Nice communication there by this player here. Tayong hindi lang na-convert ni Antonio. But still, 2 free throw pa rin ang ibibigay kay Antonio. Let's see the free throw there by Antonio. Kailangan talaga mapababa. 16-point lead PCU Dolphins. First free throw good by Antonio. Once again, PCU Dolphins still adding their point to their advantage. Their score. And a nice floater there by PWU Austria. Bring down the ball, Austria. Point guard there. Oh, nice fake to Enjay. Enjay. A pull-up jumper. Nice pull-up jumper by Enjay. Austria. Nice play there. PWU. Kailangan talagang doble trabaho dito. Lennon. I think there's a offensive foul. Kitang-kita ni Rep yung Chico. Yung braso ni Lennon nag-extend kay Manipolo. That's why he called a offensive foul. First team foul, PWU. Remaining game time, 5 minutes, 44 seconds remaining of fourth quarter. Garino. So Enjay. Enjay, try the 3. Bang! Grabe. Tinuro pa yung kakampi. Ang ganda ng shooting form doon ni Enjay. While I see the ball rolling, kita ko na talaga napapasok yung bola. And timeout PWU. Our score, 61-42. In favor of our home team, PCU Dolphins. PSAA Season 2 will be back shortly. Back to the ball game. PWU here. Grabe pa rin ang ginagawang depensa dito ng PCU Dolphin. From first quarter and one play by Garino. So, a key player. This game, Garino. Hustle play, defense, offense. Nasa kanya na lahat. Napakahusay na player. Nice defense. Enjay. Oh! Ang time. No good. Rebound. 1 versus 1. Lennon. Blocking foul. A shooting foul given to PCU Dolphins. Lennon, free throw. Lennon, pasok pa rin, but there's a line violation and back the ball to PCU. Laurea, hindi pa rin pumapasok yung mga tira dito ni PWU. Sabi ko nga, hindi pa rin nako-convert yung mga offense nila. Sayang talaga. Kahit open 3, open basket, hindi talaga pumapasok. Sayang talaga yung nagiging opensa. Enjoy. Tapos, dito sa PCU Dolphins, parang nilalagay nila yung bola. Napakalaking butas ang ginagawa. Ano nangyayari dito? PCU Dolphins. At siguro nga, kabisado na nila ang kanilang home court. So, Enjoy. Rebound. 3 minutes left. 65-43. 22-point lead. Nice pick. Grabe talaga. Enjoy. Jump shot there. Sila na kabisado at parang nagpa-practice na si Jenjay doon. Yan, still pa rin. Hindi pa rin talaga nabubutas yung ring para sa PW. Ay, grabe naman yun. Medyo nanggigil doon si Enjay, no? Try to put a dunk there in the front of Antonio. Medyo nakakatakot lang yung ginawa doon dahil nga may opensa ka sa harap. Then, yung paglanding mo talaga prone for an injury. So, hopefully, okay naman si Enjay. And, ayun nga, at wala nangyari. Good thing pa rin. And, wala nangyari sa naging incident. So, maraming salamat sa ating floor ay nag-map kay ate. He really sure and wala talagang basa for the safety of our players. Maraming salamat sa mga staff natin dito sa PCU Dolphins. And second free throw good by Enjay. So, maraming salamat sa ating nagmamap na si ate. Kahit kanina, kahit wala sa camera, he really checked the wet floor for the safety of our players. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagmamap kagaya mo talaga ate. Abyoha. Antonio for the rebound. 2 versus 1. And is it 2 for Laurea? Kakapasok lang ni Ortilla at ni Pineda. Give Coach Biboy give their minutes for this game. At magandang ginagawa nitong dalawa. Same ball possession. Last 2 minutes of our fourth quarter. Foul situation, penalty ng PCO Dolphins. Sayang lang yon. Turnover for PCO Dolphins. Antonio. Lefty, no good. Galos. Ortilla. Traveling. Nabitawan ni Ortilla doon. So, kung hindi niya inayaan yung bola, ay kung hinayaan niya bitawan, so I think hindi siya matatawagan ng traveling doon. Galos. PCO Dolphins. Side step move. No good. Out of bounds. Back the ball to PCO. Remains the ball to PCO Dolphins. PCO Dolphins. Seconds left on shot clock. Ortilla. Nice. 2 points there for Ortilla. I think his first 2 points of the ball game. Still, maganda pa rin ang pinapakita nitong PCO Dolphins player sa kanilang home court. Nice defense there. Seconds left. Much respect to PWU, Philippine Women's University game. A dunk there for number 9, Laurea. I think he boosts up their teammates. So that's it. The final spot will take by PCU University, Philippine Christian University Dolphins, Final Four. The schedule will be dropped soon and check out 70:45 the PSAA page for the update, the game schedule. And maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat sa ating court, PCU Dolphin Court. Sa court na to, napakiniram tayo, napaganda, napaka maayos na venue, napakababait na staff, napaka-hospitable. So, susunod po ulit, pagkikita natin, semifinals na sa PSAA Season 2. So, maraming salamat sa ating viewers. Kita-kita tayo po soon. PSAA Season 2. Today's game, maraming salamat po. Magbabalik po susunod ang PSAA Season 2. Salamat po.